Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Unlock Law Online. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I promise that I'll be uploading good content video and will be explaining law in very simplest form. To start with, in today's video, we will be studying about divorce. So what is divorce in India and what are its kinds and what is the procedure that we follow to get divorce in India? Divorce is the procedure by which marriage is dissolved. Though in India, marriage is considered as a sacrosanct union, in law, we have the procedure of divorce which dissolves this existing marriage and releases from all legal obligations. There are two kinds of divorce. The first one is mutual consent divorce and second one is consented divorce. Mutual consent divorce is a mode of divorce wherein both the husband and wife have consented for the divorce, that is for dissolution of the marriages. They do not have any open conflicts and are okay to dissolve the wedding. Second one is contested divorce. Contested divorce is wherein either of the parties are not willing to dissolve the marriage. It may be husband or it may be wife and the disputes are still open. Such kind of divorces are called as contested divorce. In this video, we will be studying about mutual consent divorce. What are the prerequisites for mutual consent divorce? A mutual consent divorce can be obtained when both the parties have consented for the divorce out of their free will and expression. Both the parties should be staying separate for more than a period of 1 year. However, this period of separation is a debatable topic in case of irretrievable breakdown theory of marriage. That is, which states that under no circumstances the parties can cohabit and start living together as husband and wife. There shall be no dispute in maintenance and alimony, or if there is any child out of the wedlock, there shall not be any dispute on the child custody. The last one is both the parties should be staying separately and they should be having address proof to prove that yes, they are staying separate. These prerequisites are mandatory to establish grounds for mutual consent divorce. What is the procedure to obtain the divorce? The first one is the parties have to file for joint petition. So when I say joint petition, there will not be any respondents in this particular case. That is, it will be husband and wife versus nil. Raja Rani versus nil. So this joint petition will be filed in the jurisdictional court of place of marriage or stay of couple or where the wife resides. After the admission of the joint petition, the parties will appear and record their statement. This will be followed by cooling period and mediation. The parties can apply for waiver of cooling period. However, the judge is at the discretion either to accept the waiver application or to reject the same. This will be followed by the awarding of court decree. The tenure of this entire process would be dependent on the case facts. It is something which cannot be predetermined. However, there are instances wherein mutual divorce was granted within 13 days of filing, as well as it went on for years. What are the documents that are required to file mutual divorce? There are two sets of documents. The first one is mandatory document and second one is optional. The mandatory documents are marriage certificate or invitation or photo. In case if the marriage is not registered and hence you do not have a certificate, that's okay, that's not a problem. You can submit your marriage invitation or marriage photos. Address proof of wife, proving that spouses are living separately since more than a year. Aadhaar card, evidences relating to failed attempts of reconciliation in case if you're taking grounds of irretrievable breakdown of wedding. Proof of jurisdiction, personal information, child birth certificate if any, details of maintenance or alimony if any. The optional documents are income tax statement for the past 3 years, details of your profession and present remuneration, asset ownership details, information relating to family background, submitting copies of any outrageous acts. document checklist can be modified according to the facts of your case. So this is all about the mutual divorce process and the documents that are required in this particular case. I hope you found this video very crisp and informative. If yes, do not forget to leave a thumbs up for this video. Also, if you have any questions or any queries, please feel free to comment below, or you can connect me via WhatsApp in the given number. Thank you for watching, and yes, do not forget to subscribe and share with your friends.